Hey everybody, I'm shopping in downtown Brooklyn today, and I'm in the park, and I decided to make a video what's inside my purse, 2019. Probably seen similar ones in the past, but I just got into a fight with my ex-girlfriend, so I can't show you what the phone looks like, which I carry in my fanny pack or purse, because I have no mirror view. But I have some bamboo paper in my fanny pack, which matches the purse, as you can see. And I'm rocking these new jeans. I don't get mugged by any crackhead muggers, because it's not really a good neighborhood. Also in my fanny pack, before I get into the purse, I have some, just a bunch of, I have an e-vape, well, 2 of them. And Nancy and I had a fight, and I put our photos online, and these are what I carry beside money in here. So, this is what I have, like Metro cards and IDs. And I wanted to show you, I got to update my ID. This is all the way from 2009. And let me get the photo out. Metro card. And here is my ID. Where the hell's my ID? Oh shit, where did my ID? Oh, there it is. This is from 2009. Could you see, oh man, could you see the photo even? There it is. Yeah, people want to know if that's really me. So I had to cover parts because that's like my address on there. So moving on, I'm going to go into my pocketbook and start showing you what's in here. Like I said, the fanny pack does match the pocketbook. I had my pants on backwards yesterday and had to change it. So, gotta be careful with the crackhead muggers. I have a lip liner. Start things off. I already got the lipstick on, and I'm not putting on any more. And I showed you on the tongue of my shoes, the Puma shoes really rock and roll. This is my mirror. So if you want to see what my phone kind of looks like, I don't know which way it would go. I guess, yeah, this is what the phone looks like. Mirror view. Now you can see what my hair color looks like, and it doesn't fade as fast as the purple. Now, I'm not a fast person, so it's going to take me a while to get through everything. I got the Physicians Formula Plump Powder. It's my favorite gloss. I have a beautiful lighter that you could push down and go, wee. I got this MAC lip gloss in Viva Glam 5 or 6, I can't remember. Lord and Hutton Lude gloss. It's cheap from the beauty store. This is what I'm wearing right now, the Physicians Formula. And also, I got the MAC lipstick in Viva Glam 5. Not a knockoff like Chanel, the real one. Phone is falling. I gotta show you some more stuff. So, I have a radio in here. A transistor radio. A little cigarette box. Got a pack of Marlboros. And, this is my radio, right, the silver thing right here. Now let me move on to the weapon. I don't want to take my pocket knife out, so I'm going to take my pepper spray out right here. And this is what it looks like. And you can like move the shoulder bag your size or whatever. And